Okay. Now I've been flying analog drones for the last few months. I've got the Meteor 75, I've got the Air 65, I've got Nimble 65, but I've only been using these cheap kit goggles that came from sub 250. Now they're cool, but breakup was not great and the recording was even worse. So the quality I've been getting out of these hasn't been great. So I've been thinking about getting some new goggles, but it's quite confusing. And it just so happens that my son had these from 6 years ago. So these are Fat Shark. So today we're going to see the difference between using these and these. I'm going to record the same drone, hopefully if it works, at the same time and we can compare the videos. Now these do have the super duper mushroom antennas. I still don't know all about this stuff, so I'm still learning about this. So if you've got any advice on this, and obviously if I put these antennas on this potentially would improve the signal on there, but the recording's not great on there. And just these look slimmer, they look cooler. So it'll be interesting to test them, but this is still technology that's, I don't know, 7, 8 years old, I'm guessing. So I might be able to get something that's even better than this, but I just don't want to spend loads of money on analog. So let's have a look today. So we'll fly the 75 first, and I'm using the Radiomaster Pocket. If I turn these on, and I turn these on, we should get the same picture. Okay, I think we're recording on both. Let's have a fly. Okay. Well, I was flying the Air 65 quite a bit last night, and this feels a little bit different. Let's just get my whereabouts back. So we should be able to compare easily quality difference, any breakup. Obviously the aerials will make a difference, or the antennas make a difference, what direction I'm sitting, all the things you don't need to worry about with digital. Try a power loop. Nearly. Oh, that'll be my first one. I need to be a little bit careful because there's sand there. Okay, I really want to get that power loop. Okay. So, what are we going to power loop? This. No. Okay, try it this way. No. Okay, let's try again. No. Oh, nearly hit the building. Check my stuff's okay. Okay, let's take it through here. Okay. That's probably the best one I've done today. See if I can get one more. No. Battery's not great. Let's bring it back. Let's try the Air 65. All right, so that's the Air 75. Okay, so we've done the Meteor 75. This is the Air 65. I think this is a newer camera or newer drone, so we'd have a newer or better quality camera. I'm not sure. Yeah, it definitely looks better. Color's a bit brighter. A little bit of color break up there, but I think that's just where I'm sitting and the metal structures and stuff around me. Let me get out of here and I'll try doing a power loop underneath my legs. So let's just stick that there.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
So this is handling well, but yeah, I'm actually thinking I might have damaged this Air 65 a little bit. I crashed a lot and heavy yesterday, and then it went all funny, and I'm thinking I might have messed this up a little bit. Let's go back to the Air 75. That's got a little rattly noise to it now. You can hear it coming. That was always going to happen. Okay, let's do one more test. Let's go see how the car looks. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. Let me know your advice. Like, is this old technology? Would I be even better to get something like the HD0 box goggles? Because I was looking at those, or the box version of the Fat Shark. I can't remember what it's called, but the Fat Shark box ones. Would that be better than these? You know, picture quality. Is this just old technology? So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Let me know your advice. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.